You can use our services with third-party tags. In this video, we'll talk about installation tips, attaching a tag to an asset, registering a tag. There are 3 golden rules of tag placement. Place the tag facing skywards. Place the tag where it's not going to get knocked or damaged. Place the tag away from metal, because metal can interfere with the signal from the satellite. The best placement will be a compromise between these 3 rules. To physically attach a tag to an asset, we recommend using bolts, but you can use magnets, tie wraps, double-sided tape, tap screws, and many more. When installing the tag, make a note of the asset equipment number with the tag serial number, so you can pair this information together in the app, on a spreadsheet, or depending on your user case, a pen and paper.